Did you ever hear the phrase done is better than perfect? Well, it's something that you really need to put into your arsenal, especially when it comes to website design. I'm Lee Drozak, digital strategist and WordPress designer, and today we are going to talk about getting rid of that under maintenance and coming soon page. So I had a client who wanted their website rebranded. And we built it on a staging site, a development site, because it was a new theme. There were a lot of changes. We were paring down from tons of pages to a one-page parallax site because they were having a hard time keeping up with everything. And most of the pages were filler content anyways. And so we got to a point where it looked beautiful. It was really ready to go. It needed some end tweaks, but that was kind of like put it out there and then make these changes once you get feedback. And the client was like, no, I want a coming soon page and let's make it perfect. I will have other people look at it and then we'll launch it live. And so the idea was to do that in a couple days, but then they kept, oh, this needs to be changed, or I don't like that image. Let me go find another image. Instead of just putting it out there with what it was, they had this coming soon page because they insisted on it, even though I told them not to. And here's what happened. Their customers or people that were referred to them were coming to their website and they were seeing this coming soon page or under maintenance or whatever the page is that we put up. And they're thinking that they went out of business and that they just put this up there because they didn't want to tell anybody, or that maybe, they weren't taking on any new clients and people were confused by it. Well, luckily what happened was the one person who was referring business to them called the client and said, hey, what is going on with your website? I'm sending people there and they're getting this under maintenance or coming soon, and they're kind of confused because here I am talking you up and it's like you don't even have a web presence at all. And that made them really step back and think about the counsel that I gave them to say, it's better to have something up there that conveys what you do. It might not be absolutely perfect, and the copy might need to be tweaked a little bit. But isn't that better than seeing kind of a generic message that doesn't say anything else and maybe has under maintenance? If you need to get a hold of us, send us an email at info@ or hello@ or something that's even more generic. So the bottom line is, don't wait until it is absolutely perfect to launch it, because done is better than perfect. And if you are waiting for perfect on your website, you've waited too long. So I hope that tip has helped, and I hope you continue watching as I give more tips on your digital strategies and WordPress and web design.